use Thrive Architect regularly for building websites or working for your clients, then I'm quite sure that you might have faced this issue once in a while, and it's kind of annoying. Which is the save button you see over here. It gets stuck on saving. Okay, then you cannot click it and you cannot save your work. Okay, for example, I'll just create an issue. For example, for some reason your internet connection, um, let's say, is out. Okay, you lose your internet connection for a while, and then you have done a lot of work in your Thrive Architect page builder. You have done a lot of work, but without your internet connection, when you click on save work, you see it's this saving button over here. Gets stuck on saving. Okay, you see this button is turned kind of faded out gray, and you see the saving text over here, and okay, this it gets stuck on saving. And when your internet connection, for example, when your internet connection gets restored, okay, it when your internet connection gets restored, but still your saving button is not fixed yet, and you are unable to save your work. If you reload the page, your connection is now restored, but if you reload the page, then you lose all of your work. Okay, all of your work that you have done, you are going to lose. So that's a very big problem. Okay, so we need to fix this so that we can save our work. We can click over here and save our work. Okay, to do that, what you can do, we need to get a bit technical. You right click over here and click on inspect. Okay, on the button. Okay, and over here you search for, you click on this over here. So I'm using Chrome. Okay, then you go again to this button over here and you see this class save. Okay, and then okay, over here you see a text called TVE dash disable. What you need to do over here, you need to click over here and you need to remove this text over here, TVE dash disable. Okay, then simply click enter, and you see this button over here, it turns bright green. Now it gets clickable. Okay, now simply click it. Okay, wait a bit. Okay, see, now my all of my works is saved. All of my changes have been saved. Okay, so this is how you deal with your Thrive Architect button getting stuck on saving and not clickable and not saving. You're not able to save your work. So this is the video solution for that. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.